The Zkteco Speed face is like a fancy proximity reader and a single door access control panel all rolled into one. The catch is, however, its proximity card is your face. You can set up your speed face with an electronic lock to control access to a single door, or you can set this up with a Zkteco barrier gate. Connect other access control accessories to your tablet, such as a push-to-exit button, proximity reader, and more. You can have a complete access control system contained within and controlled by this single panel. Enroll up to 50,000 users in 99 different access control groups. Create intricate access control schedules and rules. View user entry statistics and even configure advanced settings all directly from this panel. Its facial recognition algorithm was built with top-of-the-line security technology. And it's incredibly fast. It holds a maximum of 50,000 facial templates, and it can recognize one of these faces in just 0.3 seconds. But wait, can't you just hold up a picture of someone's face and sneak your way inside? Nope, this panel is smarter than that. It has an anti-spoofing algorithm, so you can't fool this thing with photos or video. But if you want to increase security, you can change the verification mode from face or passcode to face and passcode, or even face and passcode and badge, or about a dozen other variations. Its IP68 weatherproof rating and its wide operating temperature range means you can use this thing in pretty much any scenario that you can think of. With Zkteco's Speed face, you can bring powerful facial recognition technology, a simple-to-use user interface, and an attractive and durable build right to your door.